Hello legends, how are you all? I'm Shaan. Hope you all are enjoying your time. Thanks every one of you for clicking the video and all of your love and support on my stream and my videos. I'm grateful and really appreciate all of you guys. Rockstar created a server mess in the name of Red Dead Online. Most of you keep getting disconnection every 10 minutes. So this is my small attempt to fix that problem. Maybe it will not 100% fix the problem, but it will solve the disconnection issue by a huge amount. First, why the disconnection problem occurring? 1. Maybe Rockstar server is not properly functioning. 2. Maybe your internet is not good enough. 3. Maybe your router is not good enough. 4. Maybe your router do not have specific port forwarded. Now to solve this problem, what to do? 1. Maybe get better internet. 2. Put LAN connection instead of Wi-Fi. 3. Get a better router, and if you have all this, try to port forwarding. Now before going any further, let me explain what port forwarding is. Port forwarding is a very useful trick in modern online gaming because it can really help with more stable, reliable and faster network connection. Routers were not designed to allow incoming network requests, and some games can play tremendously better if an incoming connection is forwarded through the router to the game. More easily for you guys to understand, let us imagine a little example where boyfriend, dad and girlfriend are present. You, the boyfriend, wanna marry your girlfriend, but her dad is not allowing it. So in order to marry her, you need to make sure he allows it. Now let's think this example as server, router and game. Your server is trying to send some network request to the game, but your router is not allowing it. Now you need the router's permission to allow those requests to go to the game, and when the specific port is open, the request goes through the router to game easily. That's the name port forwarding. Now to forward port, you need one thing from console, the IP address. As I'm playing on PlayStation, I'm going to go to settings, then network, then view connection status. You should see IP address there. Remember the IP address or write it down somewhere. Next, go to your laptop or desktop and go to the browser. Using Google Chrome, I'm going to go to portforwarding.com. Now on the left side, you can see the list of routers. Click on it. It will show you the list of all the routers in the world. Choose whatever type of router you are using and its model. For me, it's TP-Link and the model is this one. I'm going to select this one and go inside. In there, you will find your router specific IP address, or maybe you know the link of the site for accessing your router. Now go there, enter the admin and password. Most of the time it is admin and the password is 126. Now let us get inside the router setting by pressing login. On the left side of the menu, you can see the forwarding. Click it. You can see I already have some port forwarded. Now go to Google and type port forwarding for Red Dead Redemption 2. Go to the first link. Inside you can see all the ports that you need to forward for both PS4 and Xbox. I'm on PS4, so let's go with all the port for PS4. First port is TCP 465. You will learn how to select TCP and UDP later. Now go to the router. You can see I already forwarded this port. Now I'm going to delete it so you can see how I did it. Press add new and put 465 in the service port. Then write the IP address of your PS4, which I said to remember on IP address box. Now if it is one port you have to forward, you can put it in the internal port too. Now select the protocol TCP and make sure status is enabled. Now save. Now again, let's see how you forward multiple ports at the same time. Here's the next port is 3478 to 3480. These are multiple port. Now same exact procedure. Put the port in the service port, put the IP address of PS4, select the protocol TCP, enable status. But only now do not put the port in the internal port because it is multiple port. You cannot put multiple port in the internal port. Hit save. Now for UDP, it is the exact same thing. Just instead of TCP, we put UDP. Let us try one. Look at the second port, 3478 to 3479. Put it in the service port but not internal port because of multiple port. Select protocol UDP instead of TCP now and make sure to enable the status. And follow the same step shown here for the rest of the TCP and UDP port. This is how you forward port for Red Dead Redemption in PS4. If you are on Xbox, follow all the steps shown here. It is exactly the same, only get the IP address from Xbox. Now you can also forward port for your PS4. This is the port you need to enable to get better connection on your PS4. You can do the same thing for any other games you like. Look, here is COD Black Ops 4. This is the port you need to forward in order to get maximum benefit from the internet and router, and you can see all the port for your PS4 and Xbox on the same thing. It's the exact same thing, just follow the procedure shown before. I'll put all the link in the description down below. If you guys got any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll answer all of them, I promise. If you guys liked the video or found it any way informative, please consider sharing the video and subscribing. That would be much appreciated. Thank you legends for being here and all the love and support. Enjoy the rest of the day. See you soon. Peace.